Have you ever wondered why some people are getting thousands, tens of thousands, and even millions of views from short videos while barely showing their face, barely spending any money, and in many cases doing it completely from their phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with Reels in 2026 and why this may be one of the biggest opportunities available right now for beginners. Now, before we get started, I want to set realistic expectations. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not one of those videos promising you'll make $10,000 by next weekend. What I am going to show you is a real strategy that people are using every single day to build audiences, generate traffic, and earn affiliate commissions from short-form content. And the best part is that you don't need to be an influencer. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need thousands of followers. In fact, you don't even need to show your face. Now, if you want to create faceless videos just like the one you're watching right now, make sure you check the pinned comment because that's the exact AI tool I use to find content ideas, generate scripts, and speed up the entire content creation process. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that Reels are everywhere. Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos. Short-form content has completely changed the way people consume information online. Most people don't want to read a 10-page article anymore. Most people don't want to watch a 1-hour webinar. People want quick information, quick entertainment, quick solutions. And that's exactly why Reels have become such a powerful way to make money online. Now, here's where most beginners get confused. They think making money online with Reels means becoming famous. They think they need 1 million followers. They think they need to dance on camera. They think they need to become some kind of social media celebrity. That's simply not true. The people making the most money online are often not the people with the biggest audiences. They're the people with the right audience. There's a huge difference. You could have 10,000 targeted viewers interested in making money online and earn far more than someone with 1 million random followers. That's why we're going to focus on building content around a specific niche. The first step is choosing your niche. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make. A niche is simply the topic you're going to create content about. Some examples include affiliate marketing, AI tools, personal finance, investing, fitness, weight loss, travel, relationships, technology, business. The mistake most beginners make is trying to talk about everything. One day they're posting about crypto, the next day they're posting about weight loss, then motivation, then travel, then sports, then politics. The algorithm gets confused, the audience gets confused, and nothing grows. If you want to make money online with Reels, you need consistency. Pick one niche. Stay focused. Become known for something. Now, once you've chosen your niche, the next step is finding content ideas. This is where most people get stuck. They sit in front of their computer thinking, what should I post today? What should I make a video about? What if nobody watches? What if I run out of ideas? This is one of the reasons I use Syllaby. The link is in the pinned comment. Instead of guessing what people want, Syllaby helps you find topics people are already searching for. That's huge. Because the fastest way to grow online isn't creating random content. It's creating content people are already looking for. Think about that for a second. If people are actively searching for answers and your video provides those answers, you're automatically putting yourself in a much better position to get views. This saves a tremendous amount of time. Instead of spending hours brainstorming topics, you can quickly find ideas that already have demand. Now, after you find your topic, the next step is creating your script. This is another area where AI can save you countless hours. A lot of people struggle because they think they're bad writers. The truth is, you don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need an English degree. You don't need years of experience. AI can help generate outlines, talking points, and complete drafts that you can customize and improve. The goal isn't to let AI do everything. The goal is to work smarter. AI speeds up the process. You add your personality, You add your experiences. You add your perspective. Together, that's a powerful combination. And again, if you'd like to create faceless videos like this one, check the pinned comment below because that's the tool that helps me streamline much of this process. Now let's talk about creating the actual reel. This is where many people think they need expensive equipment. Good news, you don't. You can create faceless videos using stock footage, screen recordings, text animations, AI-generated visuals, AI voiceovers, simple editing tools. The video you're watching right now is a perfect example of how powerful faceless content can be. Many successful channels never show a face. Many successful Reels creators never show themselves on camera. Instead, they focus on delivering value. That's what matters. The viewer doesn't care whether you used a $1,000 camera. The viewer cares whether your content helps them solve a problem. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is everything. No traffic means no clicks. No clicks means no sales. No sales means no commissions. Fortunately, Reels can generate an enormous amount of traffic. One of my favorite strategies is creating one piece of content and distributing it everywhere. Instead of posting only on Instagram, I recommend posting on multiple platforms. Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok. Now you've multiplied your opportunities. One video can potentially get views from 4 different platforms. That's a powerful strategy. And because these platforms are constantly looking for content, they can continue showing your videos long after you've published them. That's why I love this model. Every video becomes an asset. An asset is something that can continue working for you after you finish creating it. Imagine creating a reel today. Then next month it's still getting views. 3 months later it's still generating clicks. 6 months later it's still producing traffic. That's leverage. Now let's talk about monetization, because this is where affiliate marketing comes into play. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services. If someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need customer support. You don't need inventory. You simply connect people with solutions. One of the biggest mistakes people make is promoting random products. Don't do that. Recommend products that genuinely help your audience. If your content is about AI tools, recommend AI tools. If your content is about affiliate marketing, recommend affiliate marketing resources. If your content is about fitness, recommend fitness products. Everything should align naturally. The better the match between the content and the offer, the higher your conversions will be. This is why understanding your audience matters so much. You need to know what they're struggling with. You need to know what they want. You need to know what problems they're trying to solve. Now here's another important piece: consistency. Most people never make money online with Reels because they quit too soon. They post 3 videos, nothing happens. They post 5 videos, still nothing. Then they quit. The reality is that content marketing takes time. The algorithm needs data. The audience needs exposure. Momentum takes time to build. Think of each video as a lottery ticket that keeps working for years. The more quality videos you publish, the greater your chances of success. One reel might get 50 views, the next gets 200, the next gets 1,000, then suddenly one takes off. Now all your content starts getting more attention. That's how growth often happens, not gradually, but in bursts. The key is staying in the game long enough to experience those bursts. Another huge mistake is perfectionism. People spend 3 weeks trying to create the perfect reel. Meanwhile, someone else creates 20 reels during that same time. Guess who's more likely to succeed? The person taking action. Action beats perfection every single time. Your first videos won't be amazing. Mine weren't. Nobody's are. But every video teaches you something. Every upload makes you better. Every piece of content improves your skills. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you have a process, everything becomes easier. You already know your niche. You already know how to find ideas. You already know how to create scripts. You already know how to create videos. You already know how to publish content. Now it's simply a matter of repetition. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful, because AI helps reduce the time required for each step. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, you can generate them quickly. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can create scripts faster. Instead of spending all day creating content, you can streamline the process. That's why I believe AI is such a game changer for affiliate marketers in 2026. It's not replacing creativity, it's amplifying productivity. And if you're interested in using the same AI tool I use for content creation, make sure you check the pinned comment below. It can help you find content opportunities, generate scripts, and stay consistent without constantly worrying about what to post next. Now let's recap the process. Step 1. Choose a niche. Step 2. Find content ideas people are already searching for. Step 3. Create scripts using AI assistance. Step 4. Produce faceless reels. Step 5. Publish consistently. Step 6. Promote relevant affiliate offers. Step 7. Repeat. Simple. Not necessarily easy, but simple. And remember, making money online with Reels isn't about luck. It's about creating valuable content consistently and connecting people with solutions. The more content you create, the more opportunities you create. The more opportunities you create, the more traffic you generate. The more traffic you generate, the more commissions become possible. That's the game. Not overnight success, not magic, not shortcuts, just consistent execution. So if you're serious about learning how to make money online with Reels, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start today. Create your first reel, then your second, then your third. Keep improving, keep learning, keep publishing. And if you'd like to create faceless videos just like this one, make sure you click the link in the pinned comment. It's the exact AI tool I use to generate ideas, write scripts, and create content much faster. Also, check out my recommended affiliate marketing resource in the pinned comment if you're looking for a simple way to start monetizing your content. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how many reels you're posting each week. I'll see you in the next video.